Bismillah Rahim. This is question October 2021, 12 variant question number 7. Okay, and the question is given here. Best technique, student, I always explain that whenever so complicated diagram comes, so split it. If you will not make extra diagrams, so question will become hard for you. Anyway, come back. Let's first of all read properly. AC, AB, both 15 clearly mentioned. It means from here to here, from here to here equals to each other. So why not I make this diagram separate? This is A, B, C, 15, 15. Okay. All right. Then he said what second part? That this is foot of perpendicular. It means this is 90 degree. Very clear. Foot of perpendicular. Right. Length of CP is 9. You can see CP length is 9. All right. So, and then he said that this arc center, that he said center B and arc is there. It means this center B and arc. So why not I make a separate diagram like this, and like this. Okay, center is B, you can see clearly. And this is Q letter. Okay, I'm writing here Q letter and C letter. Thing is that we don't know angle and we don't know even radius. Radius is BC here, right? If I get a BC, I will get my radius. And more thing, BC, this is radius, 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 radius. Either you get BC or you get a BQ, you get a radius. Okay, now I think so we can focus one more triangle. I did not make that till now, and that is this triangle. So this triangle I'm going to make even separate. Okay, here 90 degree, this letter C, this letter P, this letter A, and for your knowledge, this is a 15. You can see this is a 15. And this length is given by him 9. So this data is reasonable enough to solve a question. And I can find this length and I can, because using the Pythagoras theorem, what is the benefit of getting this length? If I get this x length, because full I know 15. So from 15, I will subtract this, I will get a small length. Then I have this triangle data even. And that triangle data I make as well here. So there's a B, this P, and this C. And this is a 90 degree, I mean pi by 2. And this is a 9. If I have this length, I can get easily. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I think now you understood well what I explained till now. Okay. And this diagram is not important, but these three diagrams are important for us. So let's see now how we can do it. And without diagram, this question is really tough. So as a teacher, I suggest you please make as early as possible triangles, more triangles, question will become easy for you. Okay, I will keep it here. And this diagram I'll use first of all. Oh, sorry, the lower one. Anyway, no problem. I drag it down here. Wait a minute. So this triangle I will start first. So let's start. Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. How to get this length? In front of 90 degrees called hypotenuse. Please always start from here. Hypotenuse square equal opposite square plus adjacent square. So 15 to power 2 equal to 9 to power 2 plus x to power 2. 15 square minus 9 square and is equal to what? X square. If I solve it, take a root, I get a 12. So I'm getting what's to here? 12 centimeter. It means I learn one lesson. This is a 12. Okay. If this is a 12 students, this is a 12 and this is a full 15. Out of 15, 12 gone. So I can say that this small gap is 3. You know, I'm going to help you. This gap is 3. So I think this idea is over. So we can say that what is the PB? PB length is actually from 15 subtract 12. I get 3 centimeter. So 3. Now I can find everything. This is theta and this is radius. And you know, SOHCAHTOA you can use in front of 90. This is, okay, this in front of angle is opposite and this is a hypotenuse adjacent. So I'm doing it now, next half job. So opposite by 9 divided by 3 is tan theta. So tan theta is equal to 9 by 3. And tan will go on the other side, tan inverse and 3. And this is my target because he was asking me, prove angle ABC is 1.25. And if I take a tan inverse of this, it will give me angle, wait a minute, angle ABC. Oh, okay. So angle AB. So this angle is asking for. So I given a name theta. So no problem. Both are same. So angle ABC. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I got 1.25 radians. So this part is proved. So first part is done, and now I'm going for part number 2. Part number 2, what is asking for? This is done for 2 marks. Show the area of the shaded part which is bounded by where? Arc CQ. You can see this shaded area actually we talk about. Okay. I show once again what we talk about. This area. Now, first of all, make a planning. This shaded area is asking for. This shaded area. Actually, it is inside a sector. You can see there's a sector, and sector part is a full. But this white part I don't need. So if I blue area, if I subtract, so I will get my answer. So plan is so simple that from area of sector subtract area of the triangle, white triangle. Okay. So which plan we have already available. So how to get a shaded area, students? So shaded area is equals to sector area. Sector area is like this actually, this way, and minus triangle area, which I have this way, this and this. Let me write data. This is 3, this is 9, this is a theta is 1.25. Radius is missing. If I get radius, I will get my answer. But how to get radius, student, using the Pythagoras theorem? I think this space is enough to solve it. Okay, I do it here, and radius is what I'm looking for. Now, how to find radius, students? So I've used the Pythagoras theorem. So I can say hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent. Hypotenuse is radius. So radius square 3 to power 2 plus 9 to power 2. When I take a shift root on the other side like this, students, 9 plus 81, I get 90. So 3 root 10 is the radius. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now you can find easily. Half r square theta minus half into base into height. But you have this angle and you have this side, you can use half into AB sine theta also. Half r square. What is r square? R, I just got it 3 to 10. And theta is 1.25. And half into base into height, 9 into 3. This is, I'm getting so simple. Okay, this is and even this I will type in calculator. I'm typing, answer is coming 56.3. And this is other answers coming 15.5. Wait a minute, 13.5. So this is coming 13.5. And after answer, finally, I get a 42.75 and 42.8. 3 SF answer. And this is my shaded area finally. And I believe you got the point very, very clear. And question is over.